Monday.com weekly checklist template. So, hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to talk about the weekly checklist template here on Monday.com. So, the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com, and you can see there are many boards that I'm working on right here. And here you can see more information regarding boards and workspaces and all that. So a weekly checklist should be nowadays everybody's priority to get things done and get your tasks done, weekly tasks done on time. So the beauty of Monday.com is that you don't have to create anything from the scratch. So it's going to save a lot of time of yours and you'll be good to go because everything is pre-custom made for you and you just have to put your information and you're good to go. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to click on this plus icon. Then we can go to boards and start with the template. Here we can write weekly, design weekly task, or what we can do is we can go here and then search for, okay, so we are getting design weekly task. We can go with that. That's perfectly fine. And you can see from the screenshots that how beautifully it designs all your weekly tasks. So we're gonna use this template. Another one thing that I would like to tell you is how amazingly it integrates with all the softwares that we use on a day-to-day basis, such as Adobe Creative Cloud, Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Google Calendar and all these things. So we're gonna click on Use Template and wait for Monday.com to design it for us in a very beautiful way. So here you go. They have made an asset card for us, which is visually very appealing. But we're going to go here to the main table to see what's the main, I would say, designing criteria. Here you can see that a table has been beautifully constructed for us, and it's for this week and the next week, and we can create more weeks if we want, or we can just delete this if it's causing us, confusion and taking up the space. So we can see there's this section of this week and then done. So those tasks that are done, they'll be sent here to this folder. I guess they have a pre-made automation, but let's see. Let's create another task 4, and set its priority and then consider it done. Is the automation there, or yes, the automation is there. So you can see it's just right here. We can just rename it because task 4 was already there. So let's name it task 5. So you can see automation is there. So whatever task we complete, it's going to go here through automation. So that's the power of automation that you can also use here in this board. And you can also describe your task a bit, what it's about, so you can get more idea. You can then have a date as well for your tasks. So that's also amazing. So that's how you actually use it. And then you also have a timeline view as well of all your tasks. For example, this is your task 4, and this is your task 1, this is your task 2. It also tells the timeline of these tasks. Task 3, you can check it through this timeline view as well. And they have a Kanban view as well, or Kanban, if I call it. So it will, give a view just like this. And we have a team workload. Okay, so team workload is basically, it will give, uh, the progress irrespective of the person assigned to a task. And moving on to progress snapshot. So this is the progress snapshot. How many tasks are done? How many are waiting for a review? How many are approved? A lot of things that you can do. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.